I'm going to go to Prezi.com.
Is this it?
No. At the top, there's a login button. We're going to sign up for a free account. So at the top, there's a login button. I need you to click where it says sign up. Okay, don't log in because you don't have a login yet. So we're going to go to sign up. Okay, go to the free, where it says continue free on public on the right hand side. It's spelled P-R-E-Z-I. P-R-E-Z-I. At the top, click login.
Do we put it in our first log out?
Yes.
How much? We put it in our okay.
Yes.
Do you want all of us to make like letters?
That's a good question. Allie asked if I wanted you to all create an account or just your team leaders. It's your choice. If you want to go ahead and create an account, you can, or if you just want your team leader to create an account, you can do that as well. So, how about this? Raise your hand if you're a team leader. Raise your hand if you're a team leader. Everybody look at your team leader. Team leader, give a thumbs up if you are going to create the account for your team. Okay? All right, so go ahead, team leaders, and you're going to create the account for your teams.
Why are we using the password? Because it says it has to be at least 8.
Do your student ID number with the 0.
But that says it has to be 8.
No, it lets you do it. Is your student ID number 6? So do your first 2 initials.
Mom's the word. I'm gonna do my first video. Mom, yeah, I'm gonna do. Can we just? I just started Wait, do we need to do it here all of our group that like edit it?
You'll all work together, but you can give edit access. Okay, once you get onto Prezi,
Mom's the word.
raise your hand if you're having an issue, and I'll come over there to you. Anybody having an issue? Okay.
Do we click student?
Yes. Okay, click student. Okay. Now, whenever you get in there, it will try to take you through a tutorial. You can either watch the tutorial if you would like, or you can get out of the tutorial. When you open up a new Prezi, okay, when you open up a new Prezi, it's going to let you either choose a template that you would like to use, okay, or you can create your own template. There's a couple of benefits of doing one or the other, so it's completely up to your group. Yes. I'll help you with yours in just a moment, okay? So whenever you click to start a new Prezi, it's going to act like a PowerPoint at first, but it is presented differently. So you know how on PowerPoint, when you click in the text box, you're editing only that text box? That's how this is here. You can type in any of the shapes, and then you're able to edit each shape by the size. So you drag to make it bigger, and you can move them around where they're placed on the board. And then if everyone will open a Prezi template, you don't have to make one yet for your team. But if you'll open one for me, everybody see go ahead and just pick a random template. So on the on the left-hand side, there's a bunch of squares. Does everybody see that, of the frames? Those tell you the order that your presentation is going to be going in. So from there, it says 1 is this shape. The second thing you see is this shape. On there, you can change the order of what the presentation is going to go through if you need to. At the top of that bar, where there's a plus sign, that's where you add more sections of your Prezi. Then at the top, you can change the theme if you need to, if everyone would like to do that. Does anyone have any questions about anything on Prezi? Have you guys started to find pictures for your presentation yet?
No.
Yes, no, kind of a little bit? Okay. Remember, you have to cite your images, and you can find images on our databases. Remember when I showed you on databases how to find images? That will cite the images for you for your works cited page. Okay? Does anyone have any questions? All right, I'm going to come around to each of you and see if you need any help.